Welcome to another video on how to create a Temu account. I'm Akin from Create, Login and Delete, and let's get started. But before we start, for those who have no idea what Temu is an online shopping mega store that offers you just about any product you can imagine. There you can buy car accessories, clothing, small home appliances, outdoor furniture, power tools, baby clothes, and everything in between. But before making any purchase there, it is worth registering on Temu. Ordering products using your own account will allow you to save the order and use functions that will speed up the ordering process itself. So to create an account for Temu, you can visit the Temu's official website or download and install the Temu application on your device's Google Play Store or an App Store. Once the application is installed, go ahead and open up the Temu app on your phone. And once it opens up, go to the You tab at the very bottom. And now from here, click on the Sign In or Register button right on top. Next, enter your email or phone number and confirm with the Continue button. You can also register using your Google, Facebook, or Twitter account. And finally, set a password with at least 6 characters and confirm the registration by pressing the Register button. Awesome! You have successfully created an account in the Temu app. Now you can go ahead and browse through different products and enjoy your shopping. So that's it for today's video. I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more great contents. Thanks for watching.